Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name's Donna and I upload a couple of times a week and it's all things foodie over on my channel. But today I'm sharing with you a slightly different video as the lovely people over at Amzchef have kindly sent me a coffee grinder to review. If you've been watching a while and you've seen my grocery hauls, you know that Yanis in particular loves his coffee, and we do have a new coffee machine as well that takes the pods and also ground coffee. So this was a really good one for us to have a try with and review for you. Just showed you there how it comes packaged, so it was all really well packaged up. Lots of paper inside to keep it protected while shipping, and it also comes with this instruction manual, and it's very easy to put together, but it does show you in the manual how you can pop it together, and it also shares with you kind of instructions on how to adjust the coarseness of the grinding of the beans, and also just kind of how you can adjust certain settings using those buttons on the front there. So this is a look at the product, how it comes out of the box, and then we are also going to try grinding up some beans and we'll share that with you as well. So there are lots of nice features to this coffee grinder. It has 30 grind settings, so you can grind your beans from coarse to fine depending on what type of coffee you're making. It also has a customized grind quantity, so you can use the buttons on the front there to adjust how many cups of coffee you want to make, and you can choose between 1 and 12 cups. We found that this handy container that is provided holds about 5 cups worth, so any more than that you would probably want to decant your ground coffee into another container before grinding some more beans, but the hopper at the top there can hold up to 300 grams of coffee beans, so you can always keep that filled up, so you can use it whenever you want to. It's super easy to clean. It does come with that little brush that I showed you just to brush out any sort of ground coffee that might get anywhere else, but also it comes apart really easily, so you can always give the containers a really easy wash, and we found it super easy to use, and we just used that in our coffee machine just on the espresso setting, and it made a delicious cup of coffee. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the review for the Amzchef coffee grinder. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or just having a read, I will leave everything linked down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.